Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Instagram Reels not showing in your iPhone. So in the case that your Instagram Reels is not showing on your iPhone application on your device, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to fix this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application, and I would like you guys to proceed with logging into your preferred account. Now if you want to go ahead and locate where your Instagram Reels are, let's go ahead and tap on our profile right here in the lower corner and just tap on this option, which is basically the Reels option, to view all of your Reels. As you see, all of your Reels are going to be located on here, but in the case that you're experiencing an issue that you cannot see your Reels, all we need to do to solve this issue is to make sure that we are connected with our internet connection. So go ahead and scroll to your control centers and make sure that your Wi-Fi is stably connected with your device. In the case that you are experiencing some issues with your Wi-Fi, you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, one more quick thing that we could also do is to go ahead and search for the Instagram application on the App Store and make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. So if there is an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your application to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.